Hi everyone, and welcome to the beginning of week 3 of Writing 213. So this week we're continuing to work on your career research project. Over the weekend I graded everything that you turned in on time. If you turn something in late, know that when that happens, it moves to the back of my pile. I grade things that come in on time first, and things that come in late go to the end of the pile. So I have over 100 students. With small assignments, it's not a big deal to turn things in a little bit late. With group work, you have to participate on time. And this week, we are working on a small group workshop and another source summary. I've included a couple articles. One is a PDF of the New York Times article. If you ever run into a paywall, make sure you let me know. You get 10 free articles a month through the New York Times, but if you ever run into that paywall, you can go in for free through the consortium library, or I'll try to post an alternative document for you. But sometimes it's easier to read in the original, so I'll include that too when possible. I've also included an article from Psychology Today. These are sources that you might decide to use in your career research project, but not required. The big project this week, which begins today, is the small group workshop. You should find the assignment here. I will type your group names below as soon as I finish shooting this video. And with a small group of students from our class, you're going to repeat what we did in the large group assignment last week, but with only a small group of you all, you'll have more work to comment more broadly, more responsibility for thinking about the content and how it's executed. So basically, you're repeating the large group workshop, but with a small group. You should make sure that you're reaching out to the people in your group, and so they know if you're not going to participate for a few days, to not worry about not hearing your response at all. So be a good citizen of your group and make sure that you're communicating. You can find all your group members' communication information in the class directory. The other thing that you have to complete this week is a second source summary and review. This will be a tool for you in writing your project. You're going to provide the APA reference entry, and that gives me a chance to let you know if the reference isn't correct and how to make it correct so that you can copy and paste the correct version into your final paper. That summary and explanation might help you in your body paragraphs to develop ideas. So next week you're going to submit a draft of your paper by the end of the week, so make sure that you're also continuing to work on your career research project. In week 5, we'll engage in peer review, and then in week 6, your project will be due. Okay, well, I will be in my office hours on both Tuesday and Thursday this week, so if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Take care and have a great week.